What's up, team? Today we're going to talk about geodes. You know, the little rocks that when you crack them open, they've got some crystal looking things inside, and they're kind of cool, and kids like them. Well, it got me thinking, what kind of a little small side hustle could I get going with geodes, and how could I compete with some of the bigger players in the space? And you know what? It's actually really easy. I want to take you step by step through the process of how I think about coming up with a new product idea or something that's easily sold by, again, focusing on small value add things you can do to package materials into a really usable format. Now, of course, feel free to copy this idea. Make sure you're doing it in a safe way. Make sure you understand any risks of selling products, et cetera, et cetera. But for the moment, let's talk about this from the standpoint of an entrepreneur. My daughter got a present for her birthday. It was basically a geode kit where, it was like Discovery Geodes. You get a bag of geodes, you get to crack them open and see what's inside. It came with a little tiny plastic magnifying glass and some plastic goggles for safety. They're pretty hard to open, so I ended up helping do most of it, but some were harder, some were easier. And I was just curious, like, what does a set like this go for? And it turns out it's actually not that cheap, which got me thinking about how easy it would be to put something like this together and market it as a STEM item, right? Learning about um, geodes, learning about how to functionally open them up, why we wear safety goggles, the way that it works, how there's different types. And it'd be very easy to create a free little booklet that you can basically build and design using ChatGPT as well. So taking advantage of as many low cost or free resources as possible. Now, at this point, I would really appreciate, let me know in the comments below if you've ever thought about doing something like this. I'd be curious to hear what you're working on. But as always, team, I don't want to waste any time. Let's pop right on in here. So, as always, my key in showing you a lot of these things is making sure it's really easy to replicate what I'm showing you. Okay. So, the first place I went is eBay. And I just said, what if I want to buy a big old bag of geodes? What would that actually cost me to buy in bulk? And by the way, I can almost guarantee you can get way, way cheaper pricing. I mean, way cheaper pricing by buying in bulk from actual providers or reaching out to companies that do this in a bigger way. But again, my goal was like, how could I solve for this within a week and have an actual product to MVP and try to sell it to local stores in my area and package it up as a nice little add-on. So went to eBay, searched for bulk geodes, and here I came, right? I don't know the seller, I know nothing about it, but what I'm looking at here is 75 break your own geodes. Give or take, they're about an inch and a half in size. And you can see here that basically each geode ends up working out to less than $1 a piece. Okay. So just think about that for a second. Okay. It's a fun experience to crack these open. Kids like doing it. They can get some education out of it. It really helps to push that sort of STEM initiative of learning about science and geology and engineering. And it's a great opportunity to have some fun when the weather's nice too. So again, that's the story here. Now, that's step one. So we can pick up the geodes for under $1 a piece. And actually, as you see here, the more in bulk we buy, the cheaper and cheaper this keeps getting. And this is on eBay. This isn't even me looking. I would almost guarantee that you can find some mega wholesalers who work in this space who could probably get them for like pennies on the dollar. But for the time being, let's make it easy. So under $1 a piece for a geode that you can crack open. Okay, well, we talked about this in a previous video that a lot of what we want to do is make things functionally unique. What can I include in the kit to make it an all-encompassing experience? It's not just about the geode, it's about cracking it open, it's about being safe, it's about learning something. It's about an opportunity to be with your kids and have this conversation, have some fun and some bonding time. So I said to myself, okay, I've got the geodes. What else should be in my box? Well, of course, I'm going to have a hammer. All I did was go to Google and typed in low price hammer. Once again, I'm not endorsing this brand. I could care less where you buy it. And my point again was this is literally at Walmart for under $4 a piece, assuming you bought one at a time. I know without a shadow of a doubt that you can buy hammers in bulk for a heck of a lot cheaper than this. A lot of times you can buy those mini hammers, which will at least be enough to get the ball rolling on these kinds of projects too. But let's just assume for a second that it's $1 per geode. We're paying about $4 for the hammer, right? So fair enough, couple bucks in. Then I wanted to also take a look at and say, okay, let's include some safety goggles because the reality is we want to be safe here. So assuming once again, I'm buying relatively low quantities, I'm paying somewhere in the neighborhood of about, $2 or so for a pair of universal safety goggles, sort of that one size fits all type. So, right, couple bucks for the hammer, couple bucks for some geodes, couple bucks for the goggles. let's take it one step further and see, well, what exactly are they charging for this now? And this is the actual set that my daughter got. It is the National Geographic Break Open 15 Premium Geodes with goggles, a learning guide, display stands, and a magnifying glass. Now, I want to call this out. The display stands are quite literally, essentially, just those upside down pizza protectors, right? So something like that you could buy mega cheap. I'm talking pennies for massive amounts. The learning guide you could do on GPT, design it on Canva for basically no cost really, and then just print them out. And so let's just cost segment this out for a second. 15 geodes, we already know we're paying less than $1 a piece. Let's call it on average, we get a good deal and buy in bulk. It costs you about $10 for the geodes. And again, team, it's going to be cheaper than this. But $10 for the geodes. The goggles are, call it $3, that's 13. The hammer's $3-4, that's 16, $17. For the little tiny plastic magnifying glass, maybe we want to get those display stands. In theory, with zero effort, buying just what we showed a minute ago, you're about $20 in for a product that's selling for $50. Okay. You're putting it together for 20, you're selling it for 50. Okay. That's a huge margin that you have on this. It's really simple to do, and it's not hard to go and find someone who makes boxes in bulk and throw a design on the front. They can just be pictures. Actually, the picture on this is pretty simple. And this doesn't even include a hammer, by the way, which I was thinking about as well when I was going through this. You might even extract the hammer out from a value add perspective and a safety perspective, let someone bring their own hammer to it. So if you back that out, instead of $20, maybe you're at $16 now. You have even more margin, same amount of value. This is what I'm talking about when I say that the ideas are everywhere. You don't have to create the next gigantic software company. You might be able to sell 1,000 of these kits at yard sales, at local fairs. You could sell them at PTA events, right? If you get kids. The idea behind this is that you can start your entrepreneurial journey in any way, using what's available without having to do much work to find the material necessary. I mean, team, let's think about this for a second, right? This was a Google search. This is a Google search brought us to Walmart, and this is eBay. I mean, all in all, this is pretty simple, and you can have a product that you could sell for around $50 that costs you $16, $17 to put it together with no negotiating whatsoever. You call these folks up and you offer to buy in bulk or buy on a regular basis, they're going to give you a better price because everyone negotiates when it comes to working with businesses and startups. So that's what I had to share today. And it's really is this consistent motion I'm trying to get across, that you do not have to be some technical coder who goes deep into the algorithms to recreate the next big Google platform. If you could sell 1,000 of these kits at $50K a whack, that's a $50,000 sale. Your cost is going to be about $16K, right? You're walking away with $34,000 in profit here, give or take, of course. And you have to pay taxes and everything else, but you get my point. You're walking away with about a $34,000 profit for selling 1,000 of these. How easy would it be to sell these online on a free website? You get a $9 or $10 domain, you throw it on the free website, and you market that website on Twitter, on YouTube. You create a channel to talk about geodes, use this coupon to buy it today, you get $5 off, right? What I want you to really start thinking about is if you do have those goals of that giant business, that big platform, that's okay. You can still do these other things. This is also a great side hustle. We had a video the other day, we were talking about like the value add services of an outdoor experience, right? You could tie this in as something they could purchase to bring, crack the rocks open there while you're having lunch. So just keep thinking, keep learning, keep coming up with ideas. But remember, this isn't about cracking the atom sometimes. This is about finding low-cost geodes, putting them in a box with a nice package, and making it a fun experience. There's nothing at all about this that isn't going to be great for the kids. The first thing my daughter has asked me as soon as the weather got nice was, when can we buy more geodes to crack them open? And it really got me thinking about the fact that, she likes to break them open, display them, show everyone in the house what they look like. And it's a fun experience. And then she's learning about them on YouTube. She's reading the little booklet about it. It's so easy to emulate these kinds of things. So team, that's it today. This is a really basic one, although I'm happy to talk about the most advanced topics you can imagine. I can go deep into the code. The reality is, if I can spend 16 and make 34, that's not a bad way to generate some capital to maybe pay off some debt, get some money for some rental real estate, get some passive income going, or build a bigger business from it and have 15 items just like this. So team, that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you got some value from it. And If you think this is interesting, I'd love to talk more about it. If you have ideas that you want to come up with, and you just want to do a little back and forth, let me know. Love to talk about it. Thanks, everybody.